comes, you're so right about the loading speed, because you can have the most beautiful website in the entire world, but if it takes a long time to load, no one's going to even see it. There's no bounce rate because no one's even loading your page, so they're not even coming through. So what I've been doing is I've been going through accelerated mobile pages, AMP pages, that on Google, and those have been really pushed in the rankings, especially on Google News, having those accelerated mobile pages and making it where the page loads it way faster than a typical loading page. So I've been enjoying that, to have those really fast load times. But yeah, you're so right. It's not important to have these really high res images. It's sometimes it's way more important to have lower quality images and having that faster load time, so that way people are actually seeing what the image is. The image isn't important anymore, and the quality of the image isn't important if no one's actually loading the image. So I would rather have 3 super low quality images than 1 super high res image that takes a long time to load. So it's really important to weigh your options, but most of the time you're going to always go with that low quality image, so your load time on your page is faster, because that's so vital.
Absolutely. And you